Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is considered the best Rust-Oleum oil-based paint. The Rust-Oleum 370 2007 Transformations Basics Cabinet and Trim Paint in Pure White. This product is a game-changer for anyone looking to update and refresh their kitchen or bathroom cabinets with a durable, high-quality finish. Rust-Oleum has a long-standing reputation for innovation and excellence in the paint industry, and this particular paint lives up to that legacy. Designed specifically for cabinets and trim, it offers a fast, one-step solution to transform outdated wood surfaces. The paint is acrylic-based, combining the durability and finish quality you'd expect from an oil-based product with the ease of water cleanup and low odor. What makes this paint stand out is its quick drying formula. It goes on smoothly, providing exceptional flow and leveling to minimize brush strokes and imperfections. You'll notice it dries to the touch in just 30 minutes, which is incredibly convenient for DIY projects where time is of the essence. Coverage is impressive as well, with 1 quart covering up to 50 square feet, making it ideal for a single cabinet or several trim pieces. The finish you get is a semi-gloss, which means it offers a beautiful shine without being too glossy or plastic-like. This semi-gloss finish is also washable, so it resists stains and scratches, which is essential for high-traffic areas like kitchens and bathrooms. For those seeking even greater protection, the recommendation is to apply 2 coats over a suitable primer, such as Zinsser Bullseye 123 or BIN Primer and Sealer. This extra step enhances scratch resistance and stain protection, ensuring your cabinets look fresh and new for years. Another advantage of this Rust-Oleum paint is its versatility. While it's perfect for cabinets and trim, it can be used indoors and outdoors on wood surfaces. Plus, the paint is water-resistant once fully cured, giving you peace of mind that your project can withstand moisture and everyday wear. Application is straightforward. The paint comes in a convenient quart size with a smooth liquid consistency that applies well with either a brush or roller. It weighs about 2.9 pounds and comes in a sturdy can that's easy to handle. The product is made in the USA, reflecting Rust-Oleum's commitment to quality manufacturing. In summary, if you want to update your cabinets with a paint that delivers a professional-looking semi-gloss finish, dries quickly, is washable, and provides lasting protection, Rust-Oleum Transformations Basics Cabinet and Trim Paint is an excellent choice. It combines the best qualities of oil-based paints with the benefits of acrylic technology, making it suitable for both beginners and seasoned DIYers. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're planning a cabinet makeover, this Rust-Oleum paint deserves a spot on your shopping list. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest and detailed product reviews. See you next time.